Hey guys, Massey here with HowToMen. Today I'll be showing off the top apps of July 2018 with the OnePlus 6. I got one sexy wallpaper, 5 great apps, and 5 fun games. Let's jump right in. The wallpaper for this month is by Minty Icons. Sorry if I said that wrong. It's a picture of a cabin in the woods with a big mountain, sun, and lake in the background. I love the simplicity, material design, and cartoonish look. The top and bottom even make room for my at-a-glance widget and dock. And I found this wallpaper on a Google Plus collection called WallRod. There's plenty of amazing wallpapers similar to this one on this page, so I recommend to check it out if you're a wallpaper freak like me. I'm also a freak for icon packs, and a lot of people have been asking me which one I'm rocking on my home screen, so I thought I'd include it in this video. It's called Minty Icons. This is hands down one of the best icon packs I've ever used. Each icon is well detailed, vivid, and bold to make each one pop. Plus it makes each icon in my app drawer look modern and material. There's over 1,000 to choose from. The calendar icon is dynamic to display the date, and the developer updates it weekly. The free version gets 8 new icons in each update, while the pro version gets 52 or more. As always, I like to give away promo codes in each top apps of the month video, so this time I'm giving away 10 promo codes to Minty Icons Pro. Just follow me on Twitter at HowToMen, and I'll be choosing the winners in a few days. The next app on this list is a 2-for-1 special. With a lot of popular apps having Lite versions, Spotify and Instagram decided it was time for them to also release a tiny version of their main app for those who don't have a fast performing phone or have slow internet. Instagram Lite looks like its mobile web app. You can see your timeline, explore posts, upload your own, search, and view/publish stories. However, you can't upload videos, tag people, or direct message people. Instagram says that some of these will be coming in the future. Spotify Lite also looks like its main app, but it does have some crucial missing features. There's no offline playback, you can't see the songs you've saved in your library, and most importantly, you can't select specific songs to play, even if you're a premium subscriber. A little too harsh for my taste, but if you're not a premium user, then you probably won't mind. Both links will be right below the like button. Adobe Spark Post is the next app on this list. This is a great and easy way to create stunning graphics to upload to Instagram, Facebook, create YouTube thumbnails, and more. Just open the app, tap on the blue plus icon in the bottom left corner, choose a picture to edit, select the size depending on where you want to post this picture, and now you can add in your effects. You can add in text, which you can also edit to the extreme. Choose a filter, add in another picture to create a collage, and if you can't decide on a specific look, then you can choose design to use a professionally designed template. Once you're done, you can share it or download it in the top right corner. Try it out if you have no design skills but still want to spazzle up your pictures. We've all been there where we want to share a link, but it's extremely long and looks spammy. You could use a third-party link shortener, but then the receiver won't have a clue where that link will take them, so it's also pretty sketch. Well, if you use CleanChair, you can automatically remove those hundreds of additional characters that are used for tracking, so the URL will be shorter and the receiver will know where the link will take them. I know, first world problems, but it's effortless to use and only takes an extra tap or two. Now, I'm sure the majority of you are using Google Chrome as your main browser, and I wouldn't blame you, that browser's awesome. But what if I told you there's another browser on the Play Store that's very similar to Chrome and has a few extra features that the regular Chrome app doesn't have? Well, Kiwi Browser is that browser. It has all the latest features found in Google's latest Chrome Canary builds, including the new split toolbar Chrome duplex feature. It's a bit faster than Chrome, has a built-in dark theme, ad blocker, can move the address bar to the bottom by going into the settings, accessibility, and toggling bottom toolbar, and more. Not a bad alternative if you ask me. Now, before I move on to the games, I wanted to give a huge shout out to dbrand for sponsoring this video. Most phones nowadays have some sort of glass design on the back, meaning that you will most likely experience fingerprint smudges or a slippery hold. The OnePlus 6 Mirror Black Edition is a perfect example, so I decided to slap a dbrand skin on it to give the device a bit more grip and make it stand out from the crowd. The one I'm currently rocking is their Concrete Edition, but there's so many more to choose from and also for so many different devices. I'll drop a link right below the like button. Switching it over to the games, the first one is a classic MMO that I'm sure most of you 90s kids have heard of or even played before on your PC. The game is by Jagex, and yes, it's their old school Runescape. The game looks and works just like the PC version, and the controls are tap to move. I used to play this game all the time, so to me, this brings back a lot of memories. However, if you never played before, in this game you can kill monsters, complete quests, talk to other players, and level up your character to fight even bigger battles. There's so much you can do in this game, but as of right now, it's only available as a members only beta. In other words, you will need to pay an $11 monthly subscription. Still, the mobile version performs well, and if you want to give it a try, I'll drop a link right below. Dead Island Survivors has been in the works for over 2 years, and it's finally been released on Android. It's a free-to-play zombie-themed tower defense game that also contains plenty of action RPG gameplay and base building. Your objective is to kill any incoming zombies and stop them from reaching the endpoint, which is a gate. So while the tower defenses shoot down the horde of zombies, any that are left are for you to deal with. The game performs well and the controls are easy to handle. It's been out for iOS since 2016 and it was very successful, so I'm sure you'll have a lot of fun killing hundreds of zombies. DERE Evil X is the next game, and even though this is a simple platformer, the developer has added in his own little twist to make the game a bit more interesting and refreshing. For example, you need to listen to the AI in the background as she will tell you exactly what to do. When I first started playing, I wasn't really listening, and when I went to collect the coins, I died because apparently they're dangerous objects. There's plenty of surprises within this game, so you'll never know what to expect. That's the fun part. If you're a fan of Battle Royale games, then check out Battlelands Royale. This game has similar aspects to Fortnite, except instead of building things, you're only shooting other people around you to win. The game is pretty straightforward. Choose if you want to play solo or duo, select a spot on the map to land in, pick up guns, ammo, and shields, stay in the designated area, aim at players to automatically shoot them, and try to be the last one standing. It's a great game with thousands of people playing online, so if you want a simple Royale, check out this one. In support of the World Cup, I decided to throw in a soccer game called Football Cup Superstars. In this game, you have to tap on the screen to pass the ball to avoid your competitors. Once you make it to the end of the field, you get a chance at scoring a goal. It's a pretty simple game. As you collect more coins, you can unlock different characters, jerseys, balls, and more. It's not a bad game to play casually. Anyways, that concludes the top apps of July 2018. If you found an app that you enjoyed on this list, then go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Check out dbrand.com for some unique and cheap skins. Follow me on Twitter at HowToMen for a chance at obtaining a promo code to Minty Icons Pro, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Kapow!